Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create this edit using straight transition effect in CapCut PC. So it is so very simple. You can select your photos or videos that you like to edit and go to a transition. Go to transition and select straight. Apply to all the clip and go to effect. Select horizontal place to adjust the duration until the end of the clip and see your final result. Yeah, so basically I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.